everyone! Welcome to our first day of summer. We're gonna hang out at the park. You want the poop one?
Yeah.
That sounds funny. Okay, Layla, come over here, sissy. You can paint too, honey. Okay. We are painting outside. Gager's on his way out. Braylee's painting a turtle.
I painted it.
And Winston's painting an emoji. And we're going to have Layla paint an emoji too. Unless you want to paint a doggy. Do you want to paint a doggy?
Paint the blue one.
Okay, let's find a doggy. Look at these.
Paint the blue one.
Those are cute.
Paint the blue one.
Is that fun? Yeah.
Then
Good job,
I need
babe.
black. I need black.
You need black? Okay, find
I
it.
need this one.
Okay, you got it?
For the justice.
All right, do you want me to help you or do you got it? You got it?
I
Look at Layla painting, big girl.
I am
She's
going.
painting the paint. That's fine. Good job, sis. How's it going, Bray Bray?
Oh, my hands is
Cute. I do see the glasses, and Winston's painting the glasses. Excellent job.
No, I done.
You're done with that? Okay.
No,
I mean, I know this is messy. This is washable, hopefully. Here you go. Layla, let me see your hands. You did good. Who needs a paintbrush when you have your fingers? Right? Right, Layla? There's Gager. Gager's out here now.
No, get a plate.
Oh my. Let's go take a bath. What do you think about that? And I'll wash your shirt and then we'll find out if these are really washable paints. Hey.
Mom,
What?
I'm going to do this.
You want to paint the doggy blue?
Yeah.
It's a great idea. Okay. Is that a mushroom? Mushroom? The kids and Casey are shooting their bows in the rain. And me and Layla, we're going off-roading. Right, baby? She loves to sit here. I think all babies do. Pretend to drive. We're just watching from in here because it's raining and it's not safe to be out there. Right? What are they doing? The kids love doing this. They love shooting their bow, and I'm grateful because Casey takes safety very seriously. So they know the rules, they know what they're doing, and I really actually want to start shooting my bow. I have one, but I haven't ever shot it. I just think that it would be fun. I personally don't have any interest in hunting, but I just think that it would be like a fun thing for Casey and I to do together. We'll see.
That's right.
Did you get it?
Yeah, right in the middle.
Wow. Bella. Bella. Hi. You're so cute. She's been cracking me up lately. You seem like such a big girl all of a sudden. Yeah. She loves to try to be funny. Look at this girl. Look.
Alright.
Oh, who's that?
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna step back. It's just too short for you. You've thrown a lot.
Mom, you want to hold my arrows for me?
You should
No.
shoot your bow.
No.
She's too weak.
Why?
Because I'm not fit for it.
Fit for it.
Don't you have to be fit for it?
We're like the same size.
Okay, here's the truth. I've shot a bow one time and I did a pretty decent job, and so now I'm scared to shoot again because I suck this time. Hi.
There you go.
Layla found a piece of licorice. I'm not gonna let her have it. Doesn't need it, but. What is Winston doing over there?
Scoot up by Gage so you're not behind him. There you go.
Oh.
We can get a picture of us shooting.
Excellent job, guys.
Hey, everyone get an arrow.
You're so fast. Holy moly. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Oh, you're helping out? It's so beautiful up here. It's a cold day, but it's really, really beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, man. Who got my phone? You want to take some pictures? She's been the queen of dirty looks lately, haven't you? You've been the queen of dirty looks? Yeah. You see it? She's been giving us dirty looks all the time lately, and they're so funny, but she's serious. So I'm just trying to figure out how this, so it'll be fun to see how her little personality develops. Will she be mean or will she be nice? I don't know. You want the camera? Here you go. You have to hold it up like this, see? See, up. It's you.
What?
Are you guys shooting one more time?
I don't know. I hit the target every time.
Yeah.
Except for one time when I broke my arrow.
Because she hit a rock. It's Gager. Casey's getting set up over
Find a
there.
Gage.
It's a hard thing when you miss a target. You have to find your arrow.
It's like on the edge of going off.
You should shoot my arrow or my bow.
What if I
It's actually really easy.
Only the duelist arrows and land.
Yeah. Look at his and then look at mine.
Because you hit the target and he hits the ground.
No, it's because
No.
his are like different types.
Yeah, mine are like steel. They're like titanium.
Winston.
I won
Scary.
some cool ones and they're so cool.
I like your shirt. It's very cool. I locked the doors. Yeah, because you are trying to escape. Let's lock yours. Well, there we go.
So I can always choose my color.
What are you singing?
The Greatest Showman.
The Greatest Showman? Oh.
Oh, boop, boop.
Oh.
Boop, boop. Well, I didn't open this before.
You didn't?
No.
Are you singing now too, Layla? Oh. Oh, good singing.
On my phone.
Casey's making fun of how me and Layla are dressed.
For the camera. Really got kissed by a bow.
Oh no, let's see. Owie. Dang it. It hurt so bad I don't think it's funny.
Trying to beat Gage and I was shooting my bow, so I pulled back and just let it go and it went.
Dang it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Packing up. Oh, look how pretty that is. Ooh. Packing up and heading home.
Is it in the car?
That looked like a hunting shot. If you've ever watched a hunting video when they like walk by. We're at Chili's. Everyone was hungry. We come to Chili's a lot. There you go. I love the Disney Now app. A lifesaver. There's so many things that your kids can do on it. This is obviously not an ad, but it is an app I really love. She wants to eat this line. God. Yuck. Miss Independent here. Has to feed herself.
It's gonna eat all the mac and cheese.
It's a lot of mac and cheese.
Are we doing yours?